Hello everybody, my name is Casey and I wanted to show you guys what I made for my final project in the capstone class for my information technology bachelor's degree. So what it is an online portal for Nestle clients. And just so everyone knows, I do not own any rights to the Nestle company. I just chose it randomly for this project because I love Nestle chocolate. So again, I do not own any rights to Nestle, I just chose the company for fun. But anyways, this portal is a place where the clients can go in and make an order or look at previous orders. And one of its main features is an area where the client can contact a Nestle representative that's been assigned to them. And then they can go into this portal and chat with them either through video chatting or text chatting. Okay, so I'm going to just go through this website and go page by page and kind of give you a rundown of what it does. So first we're going to just see what it's like to sign up in this portal. And there we go. And it takes me to the account page. And from here I can update my information. I can add a shipping address and a billing address. It's got error checking, validation checking for all this stuff. So if I try to update, it's going to tell me, that I need to enter in all this information. So yeah, I can update the information from here, and I can also delete this account from this page. But anyways, I'm going to sign in with a different account that already has everything in there. Again, it takes me to my account page. So that's the account information. Now we're going to move on to the order section of the website. So within this portal, I can create a new order. I can look at pending orders, which are orders that have not arrived yet, but that I've ordered. I can also look at my order history. So we're going to start by making a new order. Hit the new order button. Let's add some chocolate chips to this order. And let's add like 3 coffees because I'm a coffee fanatic. All right, there we go. And I'm going to finish the order. There's my total, $21.70. And this is all just kind of made up information. So this is the pending orders page. It took me from the new order page to the pending orders page. And from here, I can view the order ID, the date the order was made, the payment method, and the total. If I want to find out more information, I can hit this view details button, and it gives me an overview of every single item that I added to the order. It gives me the name, the price, and the quantity. I can also cancel an order from this page, and I can mark an order as arrived once it comes. Now, ideally, there would be a shipping department, and they would mark the order as arrived, and the client would not have to do any of this, but just for demonstration purposes, I have this arrived button there. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend that I got the package, and it arrived. Did your order arrive? Yes, it did. And notice that it took me to the order history page. If I went back to pending orders, it's not there anymore. It's moved to order history. So there it is again, my order ID, the date, the payment method, and the total. And again, from here, I can look at the details and see the same information that I saw on the pending orders page. And here's a couple other orders that I made in the past. All right, so that's pretty much a summary of the order information. Again, ideally the client would also be able to pay within the portal. There would be a payment method, but since this was just a school project, I wasn't able to get to that. Let's move on to the contact section. So again, each client is assigned a representative from Nestle, and the person that they're supposed to talk to is that representative. So I assigned Kaz myself. So you can chat through text or you can chat through video. Let's start with video. So I'm going to start a call. And this is a little hacky right now, but you're given a session ID and token, and then you're supposed to share that with the person that you want to talk to. And here's me. Hello. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to copy this and just open up in another tab and just talk to myself. This does work between 2 computers. I tested it and it does work. So from here, I'm going to join a call instead of starting a call. Copy that session ID and copy the token and join. And here we are. And it's a little echoey, so I'm just going to end the call. For this, I use the OpenTalk API. I think it's TalkBox OpenTalk. I can put a link in the description below for you guys if you're interested. It's super, super helpful. Pretty easy to figure out. They have an even easier option than what I used, but it's really, really good. It's called OpenTalk. I can also do a text chat, and it works the same way. I'm going to share the session ID and token. And join. Alright, now I'm going to send something to myself. And there it is. And it showed up there. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to end this from both sides. So that sums up the contact section. And on this search products page, I just linked to the Nestle website. So here it is on the brands page, and you can order from there. Or from here, you can also link to the order page and start a new order. Also, I have the links to their social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. And that's pretty much a summary of what I've done. The tools that I used was Visual Studio, and I programmed the server-side code in C#, and the front-end code was with ASP.NET. I'll show you just like a quick little shot of what I did. So here is what it looks like in Visual Studio. I've got my JavaScript, CSS. I use Bootstrap and Favicon, I believe, for my icons and CSS framework. My account page, the code behind. Let's go to the JavaScript. The contact page was a little more complicated. Here's just the front end code, pretty basic. The JavaScript was a little more involved because of the OpenTalk API. And then I also, to host the website, I used the Azure websites, and I also used an Azure database to store all the information. Alright, I will provide links in the description below to all the information that helped me with this project. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, I would love to hear them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you want, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.